Hey yo, what's going on you guys? It's FunTube Aviation here, back at it again with another video, and in today's video we're going to be unboxing the Emirates Boeing 777-300ER in the 50th anniversary livery. This is a great new model for me. Emirates is officially coming back to the airport, and hopefully by the end of the year I will not have just one 777-300ER in Emirates, but hopefully two, or maybe a 787, or do they still operate the 787? Somebody let me know in the comments below. But yeah guys, without further ado, let's just get into this video. You got your 777 logo here, your Emirates logo, and a view of the aircraft. Here are the sides of the box. As you can see there, it's the 50th anniversary kind of branding. There, the back, the Emirates sticker, and all your pictures of the aircraft, your back, and just information about the aircraft. Pause if you'd like to read that. Anyways, let's get this baby cracked open. I love the gold box. The gold box just looks so good. I always loved the Emirates boxes that Gemini Jets made. They need to do more of that, except it costs us more money because it's a special box. I don't know, if the box is looking that good, I would be willing to pay more for that. But there is the model. Get this out of the way. There is the brand new 777-300ER. This beautiful looking airplane is going to be such a great addition to this airport. The livery looks great on this. The gold lettering and the Emirates, of course, tail. Hopefully by the end of this year there will be two Emirates moving around the airport. This one and either 777-200 or another 300 in the standard livery. But yeah guys, thank you all so much for watching this video. Please go check out the 4 other models right there. There'll be cards popping up through the remainder of this video on each of these aircraft. Again, comment down below what aircraft you'd like to see in the airport, and I'll see if I can get it to add on to this beautiful airport. Hopefully, fingers crossed, we'll be able to get a renovation going and kind of change up the layout of the airport this by the end of the year, along hopefully with all bunch of 787s, 777s, and small aircraft. Anyways guys, thank you all so much for watching. This is FunTube Aviation signing off for the last time in this Easter model. See you guys next week for some trip reports. Trip reports are back this week, and yeah guys, thank you all so much for watching. This is FunTube Aviation signing off.